Right, 5.15, approval to attend conference and training opportunities.
So there's a couple or three requests here basically for some training opportunities. The first one's around the Canterbury Earthquake Learn, Prepare and Act Symposium to be held in Christchurch with Councillors King and Park, who are on the Emergency Management Committee, being suggested members to attend that, and they've indicated that they would like to. The second one is Councillor Cousins to visit Twizel as part of the Turangi Economic Development Feasibility Study. The dates might change. We're just having trouble finding accommodation in February in Twizel. They're booked, so maybe we just have a full stop in there. I actually thought about the freedom camping, a van.
Okay.
And the last one is Bopless holding a health and safety workshop in Tauranga on the 7th of February, and we're getting an opportunity for councillors to attend that. So
that's the council meeting.
It's in the morning, so I've arranged with them for it to finish at 11:30, so there's enough time to get here by 2 o'clock if people want to go.
Safety workshop, isn't it? It's not more operational?
No, this is aimed at elected members.
Elected members.
Yep. Yep. No, but this might be for some of the newer members potentially.
Very good. Okay, well, I don't know if you'll have too many names put on that third slide. Sorry, Tina.
That's quite right.
I'd love to go if it wasn't a Tuesday.
These trips these councillors are going on, I presume they fly economy?
Yes.
One way. Oops, sorry.
I'll just check with Councillor Tongariro, Councillor Kingy, whether he's interested in the health and safety one.
All right. That's quite good, John, actually. Only your better ones, actually. All right.
Good on you.
We have a mover, please, for that. Thank you, Councillor Hackling. Seconded by Councillor Rankin. Thank you. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Those against? Go.